Welcome to a day in the life of a civil engineering intern. This is a continuation from the previous video I made, and in this video I'll be focusing on how to make POP like a pro. Over the years, some techniques have been adopted into making POP easily. But what if I told you there is a traditional way into making these POPs, which makes them more durable, cost effective, and lasts longer? But I will tell you the truth, this is the simplest and most easiest way to make POPs. The first process is cleaning the working surface and making it oily, so the mixture doesn't stick to the board when it's time to pull out. The second process is spreading the filers around the board to fill the square shaped pattern. The third process is pouring the mixture over the filers in order for them to settle and form the required square shape. For those that might be wondering what this mixture is about, it's the combination of the plaster of Paris and water. The last process is making sure the mixture goes round uniformly, leaving it to settle, to dry and harden. This is the POP after it's all dried and ready for installation. Before it is installed, it is left to settle more and harden up for 24 hours so that it can gain full strength and perform effectively. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you learned something today and drop a comment. I will see you in the next one.